Okay, when we have a look at the quadratic equation, we can solve it two different ways, either by quadratic formula or by factorization. Quadratic formula works with everything, so we're going to use a quadratic formula. Now, what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is an equation in this form, ax squared plus a bx plus a c equal 0. Where a, b, and c are any constant, -5, -3, 0.1, 0.2, 3/5, anything. Now, the reason it's called quadratic equation is because the highest power of the x is 2. This is the quadratic equation. Now, how do we solve the quadratic equation? Now, let's say we have a quadratic equation. Let's say we have a value. What was the value of the quadratic equation we did just over there? Okay, let's say we got a quadratic equation, 5x squared plus 3x minus 54 equals 0. How we are going to factorize that one? First, we kind of relate that a is 5, so I just write it down. A is 5, the b is 3, and the c is minus 54. So I have the value of a, b, and c. Then there is a quadratic formula. Because here the variable is x, so I'm going to say x equals minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Yes, and these are square root. Yeah. Thank you. So this is a quadratic formula. Now I will put the things. I will put the values in this formula. I have the a, b, and c value. So value of the b is 3. So that will become a minus 3 plus minus 3 squared. If that was minus 3, I need to put minus 3 squared. Minus 4 times the a is the 5 and c is minus 54 over 2 times the a. So now I need to solve this one. So let's have a look. Let's do that one on this side. So I got minus 3. So minus 3 is there. Plus minus, that becomes 9. Plus, can someone give me an answer to that one? 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 and 54. So that's 1080. Divided by 10, which will be minus 3 plus minus 1089 over 10. Can someone do the square root of 1089, please? Sorry, say that again. 33. Thank you. 33 over 10. So now x has two values. And x equals minus 3 plus 33 over 10. And x equals minus 3 minus 33 over 10. One with a positive, one with a negative. So that becomes a 30 over 10. Then that becomes the 3. So I have one value of x as 3. Now the other value of the x, I can do that one here. X equals minus 36 over 10, which will become x equals minus 3.6. So I have two values. If that was a time, or if that was a length, obviously the length can't be negative. Yeah, so we will ignore this value. And we'll just only take that value because length can't be negative, time can't be negative, and so on. So we kind of need to make some judgment in the end. which value to take and which value not to take. So this is how we do a quadratic equation.